tonight. The moon hangs low, it's painting shadows white. Your porch light glows, a stranger's car's here. My heart's a drum, it's pounding out my fear. I won't ring your doorbell, I'll just turn and go. My soul's too bruised to face what I don't know. To see you with her there, so I'll slip away and leave you to her tender care. I thought I'd say the words I've held so long, but seeing her boots, I know I don't belong. Your window's dark, it hides what I can't take. This love's a ghost, it haunts me for old time's sake. Does she know the way I loved you, deep and true? How my world still spins with memories tied to you. I'd tell you, but pride won't let me dare. I'll hold my heart and leave you to elsewhere. I won't ring your doorbell, I'll just turn and go. My soul's too bruised to face what I don't know. I'd break apart to see you with her there, so I'll slip away and leave you to her tender care. No, I won't ring your doorbell, I'll just fade from sight.